Hi everyone, it's Mark Mills with RE/MAX in downtown San Diego. I want to give you a quick preview of my new listing in the Alta condominiums in the East Village neighborhood at the edge of the gas lamp. The name Alta in Spanish means tall. We're one of the tallest buildings in this immediate area, which gives you very expansive panoramic views, as you'll see as we go through the video. You have views of the bay, the ocean, you have views of Petco Park, the convention center, you can see the Rady Shell. You have an amazing skyline view at nighttime. This is also one of the largest balconies you'll find in the downtown condominium market. It's 23 feet long by 9 feet wide. Very unobstructed views, very private, no other condos looking in on you. This is one of the best views you will ever find in downtown San Diego because of the combination of the city lights, the water, the bay, the ocean. Our plant has a dedicated dining area here, also with panoramic views. Across from here we have the second bedroom. West facing, has its own closet, of course. Nice kitchen. Bar stool seating on the other side. This was the first condominium in downtown San Diego to have a quartz countertop, the Alta condominiums. We have the primary ensuite. Again, bay views, can lay in bed, see the ships go by, Coronado Bridge, Petco Park. They have a big Jumbotron screen you can follow the game on. It's very exciting to be here at night when there's a Padre game going on. This is a cow king bed. A queen would give you even more room. 2 closets and a nice walk-in shower, dual sinks. Again, very modern finishes. This was an Australian developer, Inca Development. Front-loading washer dryer. There's also a second bath in the hallway by the front door. If you'd like a tour of this condominium, please give me a call, 619-606-2596. This is a rare combination of amazing skyline views, bay views, ocean views, Petco Park views. It's about 1,200 square feet, priced at $1,278,000. This one probably won't last long because of the privacy, the safety of the views. The HOAs are under $1,000 a month here, which is pretty hard to find in a high-rise downtown. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you.